My John Deere Buck 500 overheats and the fan does not turn on. Why?
Hi there, my name is XXXXX I'm happy to help with your question today. I have to be upfront with you on this. I don't have a service manual or a wiring diagram for this model. I can take a poke at it, and if you don't like my answer, I can opt out. The answer below is based on my knowledge and experience of ATVS and motorcycles. This could be due to the blown fuse, fan relay, or the tempature sensor on the engine. If one of those are bad, it will not turn on. The tempature sensor creates a circuit when the temperature reaches a certain degree and in return sends a signal to turn the fan on. Please, before leaving negative feedback, let me know the problem so I can try to correct it. I value your business. If I can't answer your question, I will opt out. If another expert has a different answer, they will respond. Thanks, Richard. Richard 41444.96516824007.
Hi Richard, we know the fuses are good. Which one is it more likely to be, the fan relay or the temp sensor on the engine? How do you know if the relay or sensor is malfunctioning? Thank you, Sam.
Thanks for getting back with me. I didn't catch your name though. You can test the relay and the sensor with a digital mutli-meter. The service manual has the specs and here to test each. If you can locate the temperature sensor on the engine, and let me know how many wires, you can possibly jump the wires together, or if 'tis one wire, unplug it or ground it against the engine. Then the fan will come on. If not that, then replace or test relay and then check your wiring system. On top of it, you could test voltage to and from the relay. Thanks, Richard. Hey Sam. Did you get your Deere fixed and running? If you need anything else, let me know. Thanks, Richard.
Hi Richard, not yet. We think the sensor at the bottom of the radiator is malfunctioning. If we jump the wire to the battery, the ATV it run fine, stays cool.
Thanks. Just keep me updated. A service manual would tell you exactly how to test your particular sensors.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.